Hello and welcome back for another Agix price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis and also give you my next price targets here on the Agix chart. So if you're interested in such content, make sure that you stick around till the end of the video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And you can see that here on the Agix chart, last week it was also not spared in the massive sell-off that we had in the market, where you can see that we had this massive breakdown giving us a low at around the $0.17046 mark. And after seeing that low afterwards, we saw a bit of a bounce to the upside, giving us a spike to the area at around the $0.2 mark, where you can see that yesterday we had a more than 20.04% gain to the upper side. And Agix has also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures. And before I get to the Elliot wave analysis, allow me to share the fundamental news that we have this week, where I'm expecting the CPI data, the PPI data, and the FOMC meeting. And as a result of this news, I'm expecting a lot of volatility in the market. And if the news come out being positive to the market, then we can expect massive recovery on these markets. But in case they are bearish, then we can continue expecting further breakdown here on the market. And Agix has also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures and also hold within minimum retracement areas, where you can see that after seeing our November lows last year, we saw a 5-wave move to the upside, having the wave 5 giving us the all-time high at around the $0.67 mark, in a move that also completed the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2. Minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this blue target area that I came up with by connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum retracement area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, having the fib level 0.78 at around the $0.17756 mark. And what that means is that this massive breakdown that we saw last week was able to help us fully maximize our blue target area in the formation of this wave 2, and there are high chances that now Agix has been able to put in place the low for this wave 2. And in case a lot of volatility kicks back into the market and we start gearing up in the whole crypto market, then we can expect Agix to also follow and also give us a 5-wave move here on the charts. And once we see a 5-wave move followed by an ABC corrective structure before we can continue gearing up, that will be the confirmation that the low for this wave 2 is in, and the start of an impulse in the formation of this wave 3 has now started. And once that move plays out, then we can expect higher prices here on the Agix chart in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 3. And on the worst case scenario, in case we continue seeing bearish news in the market, then we can continue expecting further breakdown, where at some point Agix might lose our blue target area in the formation of this wave 2 and continue heading further down. And in case such a move plays out, then I'll be watching on the next key areas of support to give us support so that we can be able to bounce back to the upper side. So those are the two possible scenarios that we can expect here on the Agix chart. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 31 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.